yafumbirwa nnyo okusinga eyali atutte ebinene. So tetwenyooma, kino kibiina kyaffe tekisosola muntu yenna.
The party leader, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, emphasized that the reason they don't ask for money from interested candidates who seek the party card is not because that they are well endowed, but because they want everyone to get an opportunity to represent his or her people. He called upon all party faithfuls and well-wishers to contribute to whatever they can, and he submitted his contribution of 10 million.
We, as the National Unity Platform, come to you because we always look back to you, the people. We are launching a fundraising drive to help us go comfortably, facilitated into the 2026 protest vote. So I hereby introduce a fundraising committee to you. The fundraising committee is going to be headed by none other than Honorable Engineer Ronald Balimweso. He's going to be deputized by Hajati Kasim Fatuma, and the secretary will be the Honorable Kaya Christine Nachimwero.
The leader of opposition and also party spokesperson George Senyonyi first contributed 10 million but raised his contribution to 20 million after several MPs also pledging to pay 10 million. Senyonyi said he cannot be the leader of MPs and contribute the same amount, a statement which the crowd welcomed with loud cheers.
So, Mr. President, milioni 10 zenayogeddeko twazitaddewo dakashi nina kuleeta milioni endala 10 zibeera 2.
The NUP party vice president also pledged a total of 30 million. Mahukuta North MP Hilary Kiyaga, also known as Dr. Idaman, 10 million. Nakasi Secretary Representative Honorable Tamaguzi Semakula, 10 million. And most of the MPs under NUP followed suit and pledged to contribute 10 million as well.
Mr. President, Kuruange, Kiyaga Hilary Innocent, Dr. Hilderman, Nekuruaba Namaokotabo Mambuka, Sebo Nafe tujja kukola milioni 10 kukoze.
Siringa abantu banaite kumenya, nzigulawo account yange nange na milioni 10.
Joseph Sewu milioni 10.
Kulwa abantu bakasanda North nafe tugenda kuleeta milioni 10.
Some of the party loyalists we talked to applauded the initiative and said that it will help to cover poster charges and fuel for members who will be moving to different areas in search for votes.
I thank my president for this initiative that he has initiated to raise funds for the campaign. I think we are ready for it and very ready for the campaign. The money raised so far, I think will do a great work.
Okusinziira fundraising aweri tetandise tuba tujjukira omulundi luli bwe tutandika mu 2021 tebyali byangu. Bannaffe ab'ebibiina ebirala bo balina ssente nga tuli ab'ekibiina eky'opposition tubadde tetulina ssente. Tulaba bannaffe bamemba baabwe baba baggyeko ssente abagenza okujjayo abeegwanyiza ebifo mu bibiina ebyo bo baba baggyeko ssente n'ekibiina ekyaffe tekyaggyeko bantu ssente.
We had an initiative that was introduced by the president about fundraising, and this is what is happening today. I think this is a very brilliant initiative because the people love the party, and if the people love the party, the people can do it.
Begin by sincerely thanking the president and the leadership of our mighty party for the trust you have placed in me. I do not take this responsibility lightly. We as a team that has been named today accept this appointment with the full awareness of all